Okay, hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to look at the Plan SA website and how we can use the Plan SA website to locate a property address and what conditions may or may not apply to that property. So this is the Plan SA website on your screen, and you can reach this website either by typing Plan SA into Google or by placing the address which is highlighted into your browser. Now, if we scroll down, there's quite a lot of information about the planning website and the planning and design code. If we, for example, look at development applications, you can look at getting approval before you lodge, etc., etc. If we, for example, come down here and look at Explore SAPA, we can locate a property address either via address or location, or if you're unsure about the address, you can actually zoom in. And so say I wanted to locate the University of South Australia City East campus. If I type in University, oops, I got capitals on, University of South Australia, no data is found. But rather than be disheartened at this, I know where the UniSA City East campus lies. So what I'm going to do is zoom in on North Terrace and Frome Road here, you can see, and you can actually start to see the outlines of the plots of land. And what I can do is press Tools, Point, and if I click on this point here, I then can see the property data and find the plan parcel, certificate of title reference, property street number, and property name. Now, we now know that UniSA City East along this section of the building, it sits on lot 1205. I can then click on the Zoning PDI Act and understand what plan parcel and certificate of title I am working with. I can then use this information when looking for property information which may or may not apply to that location. However, Plan SA has made it even easier using the SA Property and Planning Atlas. You can then click here on P&D code. So that's one left click, and it will show you all of the property details, including a map with the highlighted area. You can save this as a PDF. And you can come down and it shows you all of the property zone details. So we can see it may have heritage, it may have significant trees, there may be a state heritage place, cultural institutions, city riverbank, and I can go down and click and expand on all of these items and understand what may or may not apply for this given item of land. This is very easy to follow, very easy to use. You can also then export this table to Excel if you wanted to, if you had multiple properties that you wanted to expand and grab that information from, and you can then use that in tables in your reports or in your planning documentation. As always, if you have any other questions about the Plan SA website, please let me know in the comments.